I have this pit in the bottom of my stomach, like this little double on my shoulder saying, you just wasted the last few months of your life. I was working on this project that was a ton of creative stuff in it. I did a button backsplash, and I created these really cool I Spy steps and this bunk bedroom. A lot of people found me from those videos, and I still like to do that stuff, and I still would like to do that kind of stuff. But I also had this idea that I think will transform interior design. It will make it so anybody can go to the store, find what they like based around the principles in this theory, and decorate their house in a way that makes them really happy. But all the people who followed me for the cool, crafty, fun things that I was doing are unfollowing me because of this other thing that I'm doing. You should do that. Don't follow people who are no longer entertaining to you, but it is kind of a bummer when you see your follower counts go down. Never thought I would be one of those people who was like, oh, my follower count's going down. Now the book is finally done. It's done. What do I do with it? I need to tell people about my book, right? I need to tell them that this thing exists out there, that they can go take this test, and then there's a book that explains it, and not just that, there's shopping guides that they can use to go buy things, and I'm working on a planner, a room planner, to use the principles in the book to decorate your house and fill it out. It'll be like a little workbook, and I'm almost finished with that, and then I'm going to create a course. There's this whole thing. Then market it, all the while not making any money, hundreds of $1,000s in debt. And I have to keep my hopes up. I have to keep believing in this idea. It's hard to believe in yourself over and over and over again when you don't have any proof. Anyways, I'm just gonna keep going. I'm just gonna keep building this thing and then hope that it takes off and that I can get out of my stupid amount of debt and come up on top after failing pretty bad in my last adventure.